Am I the a-hole for making my little sister walk home? Recently, I obtained my driver's license, and my dad thought it would be a good idea for me to drive my younger sister home. She would typically walk, as she falls just under the 1.5-mile rule our school system enforces. The first few days were fine, but then she unplugged my phone from the aux cord and started blasting her music. I took notice by not moving and giving her a funny look. She replied with a snarky, "What?" and I asked her why she unplugged my phone. She responded with, "I got tired of listening to your music." I told her that if she wants a ride home, she will have to listen to my music. I then unplugged her phone and started driving. Then she gets bold and, while I'm driving, unplugs my phone and starts playing her music again. So I pull over and tell her to get out. She kind of sat there and looked confused, but after repeating myself a few times, she got out. I wasn't expecting the backlash from my stepmom when I got home. She was pissed and threatened me with calling my dad and telling him about my reckless behavior. She went on to call me an egomaniac and other names. When my dad got home, it started an argument between them because he thinks I was justified. From my point of view, she's a 7th grader who should understand that her actions have consequences. I understand it is a minor issue, but I gave her a warning and she didn't respect it.